Let's open the product placement app. Here, I'll upload a reference image of a dining room that I've previously created in the image chat. But now I want an image that looks similar but has specific elements in it like a table or a wall canvas. My goal is to generate a result that is inspired by this reference image. You can also control how closely the result follows the reference by either choosing as reference, similar, or unchanged. In this case, I'll leave it at similar and upload my reference image. And down here, I will add my products, like my marble dining table, the wall art, as well as the chairs. And just like before on the bottom, we can change the resolution quality to 4K and the aspect ratio. Here it's also possible to add additional instructions. For example, if I wanted a person in the image, like a child playing on the carpet with toys. And now we'll generate the image and wait for our result. Once the result is generated, we can review it, and if we're happy with it, we can download it. And like usual, credits will be only used by actually downloading the image.